let's get into our recipe.
All right. Our recipe this week is the ratatouille.
Ratatouille.
Ratatouille. And whenever I think of ratatouille, I think of the mouse.
The mouse.
The sparrow. Anyway, the ratatouille is like a casserole dish. And it is mainly eggplant. Eggplant, tomatoes, bunch of spices and veggies. And it's delicious. Super easy to make and delicious. And I think a lot of times eggplant gets a bad rep. Because it can be difficult to cook, and we've experienced this ourselves.
I've struggled with it myself.
So it goes mushy kind of fast, mushy, when you're sauteing it in stir fries and things. And the taste, it's hard to get it to taste very, very good. So in this recipe, it goes fantastically with this ratatouille recipe. So it's zucchinis and it's eggplant and tomatoes. And the spices combination that goes with it just is yummy. So you put everything in your casserole dish, prepare everything in the casserole dish, bake it in the oven, and then it's good to go. And you have some that will last. Like the recipe makes quite a bit. So you have leftovers for lunch, or you can have enough for the whole family, or even the next day.
Yeah, and that's going to be TrueFormLife.com/ratatouille recipe. And it's amazing. So try it out. And if you're not an eggplant person, still need to try this one.
Yes.
Because you'll be surprised. It's just the flavors. When you put the flavors together, combo the different types of foods, they really bring out the flavors in each other. So give it a try and let us know what you think.